Hi friends, let's cook a delicious bitter gourd curry without the bitterness. No deep frying involved. This is a healthy and easy recipe. We will also add tofu for a complete one-pot meal. And I will share my tips and tricks to reduce the bitterness. Let's take a medium-sized bitter gourd. You can use 2 to 3 bitter gourds if you have the smaller variety. Slice off the two ends, then cut the bitter gourd into two lengthwise. Remove the center pit and seeds with a spoon. Now we can slice the bitter gourd into slightly thin slices about 2 to 3 mm in width. They don't need to be very thin. Put 1 tablespoon of salt in a bowl of water. Here's tip number 1. Soak bitter gourd slices in salted water for 20 to 30 minutes to reduce the bitterness. And tip number 2. Rub the slices gently with your fingers. Meanwhile, cut 1 firm tofu into small slices. Pan fry the tofu in a little oil and set the tofu aside. After 30 minutes, drain the bitter gourd slices and rinse in clean water. Heat a pan and toss in the bitter gourd slices. And this is tip number 3. Saute bitter gourd slices at low heat without any oil until the water evaporates. This should take about 5 minutes. Now add chopped onion and continue to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Stir fry lightly. Then add fenugreek, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some minced garlic. Also add curry leaves and give a good stir to mix all the ingredients in the oil. Prepare a paste from 1 tablespoon tamarind and half cup water. Remove the seeds and add the tamarind paste into the curry. Also add salt according to your taste. Now add curry powder, red chili powder, and turmeric powder and stir. Cover the pan and allow to cook at medium heat for about 10 minutes. When gravy has thickened, add pre-fried tofu pieces. Now we can add some coconut milk for a creamy gravy. Give a quick stir. Then add 1 teaspoon roasted fennel powder for extra aroma. Now we can remove the curry from the pan. Garnish with some curry leaves. We can serve this delicious bitter gourd curry with rice, chapati or putu. The bitter gourd curry tastes so good with some steamed rice. It is slightly spicy and tangy. The tofu pieces add to the lovely curry. Do give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!